So I had this on my mind for the past couple of days. And, I've noticed that lately I have been really scrolling a lot, consumed a lot of my time just scrolling on the phone constantly, looking at my email. Did anything come in? Really, is anything going to change? Is anything going to change from the last, minute that I just saw it? I mean, it really is amazing. Now I sit back and think, that I'm scrolling, and even though, social media is like a blessing and a curse because it does good things. And especially when it comes to marketing, if you have a business, social media is necessary. People, you gotta put your work out there for people to see. Feel the vibes. I'll keep posting consistently, showing how you create an image, showing you, at an art show, or showing you in real life, what you do on the side, what gives you, what you enjoy doing besides just, your art. Me, for example, having my full-time job, I show that, but it's like I find myself so consumed in it, trying to create on social media, trying to, do more videos, do more reels. Now I'm on YouTube. The thing is, I do love doing it. Look, I do love doing it. I have a blast, and I feel it inside. When I'm doing videos and when I'm editing, I just love doing it. I love sharing information. I love showing my images. I like to hear what people think about them. You got to get some kind of feedback, but my business wouldn't be where it is today if it wasn't for social media. And having a little bit of a following on Facebook and Instagram, it really has helped. But it's like still trying to find the balance. Trying to find that balance is hard. How do you balance it? Do you use it for your business? Drop it in the comments. I'd like to know how you balance it. I know we can just say, just drop the phone down. Yeah, we can. We can just drop the phone down. We can do that and just let it be. But I find myself going back to it, look. I have learned to ease up, whether I get likes or no likes or comments or whatever. I just let it roll because that really doesn't matter. Because all you need is that one person that it resonates with. And you never know, you might make a sale, you might not. It doesn't really matter. Not all pictures are going to be award-winning. You just got to get out there and practice and just keep on doing it. I really have to work on it. I'm really going to try to work on it and see if I can find that balance. I find myself, okay, I'm going to put my phone down for let's see if I can do it for 30 minutes. And I can't even do it for 30 minutes. It really is, the phone is really it's a great tool because you can really run a business on your phone. But I don't know, I'm having a hell of a time I have to stop scrolling and start creating again. I did create images last year. I'm very happy with them. They've become a couple of them have become my best sellers. It's just, I had to get back to creating. By the way, my name is David Ortega. I'm a land and seascape photographer in Long Island, New York. And here I'm going to share with you my behind the scenes of how I shoot and how I create with my Canon camera. I'm also going to show you about my art business and my YouTube journey here and seeing how that grows and show you some insight on that and let you know, how the channel's growing and what you can do to help your channel grow. So I'm heading over to the beach. I want to go fly my drone. Another thing that, I got last year and I didn't really fly as much as I wanted to. I got my Part 107. I was really ecstatic about that. That was a real big goal for me to get that pilot license, the Part 107. But I'm not really even putting that to use. But I'm being smart about flying, being safe up in the air. That's what it's all about, knowing the rules. But yeah, I'm just going to go down to the beach, see what I can create. If not, even just get practice flying. And I'm going to show you, hopefully I'll have a little video put together. It's a full moon today, but the clouds are out, and I don't think it's going to be, I don't know. You just never know. Even the light might be nice, so we'll see. So now just doing the most important thing right now is creating, getting practice flying, and just enjoying the moment. So let's take it to the sky. It was too cloudy out tonight,
I know, it's a shame.
but it was still a beautiful sunset.
It was a great sunset. So you get that with your drone?
Yeah, I wanted to do something different than with the camera today.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
So no full moon tonight, but you know what? That's okay because I'm glad I came out. I'm not scrolling right now. I'm out here flying, trying to create something, a little video for you guys. And like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Would appreciate it. Thank you so much for joining on my journey. Those 157 subscribers, I really do appreciate it. And peace and love, all right? Take care.